Ghana de asemba sana 7 prediasa eya na wobia nso epese wode ne de efem obviously wobia ede ne de efem no nyansasem ebefim aba ebi mu nso 7 prediasa enkwasi asem enko a still surprisingly enough meka say 2 days ni independence 63rd independence celebration e course we na one thing a take center ewo ensem nini so president and former president John Dramani Mahama wamba yedi ne konja etre amansanya wo bia ehun se wamba no nkofo bebraba abontia bekasa president former president Mahama ne right hand man a friend Stan Dogbe ababontin de nsem abetuja wono so etre nsem eni se Mahama no obisa akwan se womba etie for NDC executive bia wo Bono region na nipa kwa ye kana asem wo ye youth organizer wo ye obi a NDC mpenyufo no woka ho ye friend Efo Wolano Chegbo na asema Efo Wolano Chegbo wono so reason a wode ba se de ntia Mahama wan kokra na me se erade nti we ya asem Efo Wolano say de ntia former president John Dramani Mahama o share da wanko Kumasi celebration no ene say MPP for omu di juju atwe konwa ne so ama Mahama se Mahama betena so a wo be lusu election no inti wo bi huye spiritualist bi ehuye ebo Mahama nkae katre Mahama se monko no kwa sei ene ye de be no ya ye juju ato ho ama no nti okwa juju ebe ka no ama ne lusu election no na me say Inti just Ghana de bibia na to say trasa Ghana bibia to say trasa no obi de na adwen aka ne trasa keke wa hwe youth organizer wo betina radio so e kan sem bi say hefa ne ye politics yi eko wo tumi kan say yes Mahama ekonjano de ntia yes Mahama wonim de ntia wanko na de ntia wanko no wo kan if you say wo be ma reason bia e bia ye nim ana bibia ye beka se wo to asumu adan a Mahama enyanteye say ekonjano ya ye juju wo so na wo betena so be lose election me say there's some de bibia everything is about election Adia a state celebration a year celebrity afi wo de say politicians see there everything is about election. You see, that is why they don't even think of us. Because they were more shine a day and ye be win election so and no one were more urgent a day ye be win election see a day ye be say that is all they think about. What is this? I say men crane. Na etefo me pese me ready ensema wono ankasa editu udwa na wankasa we hu akase this is the people Bono region eto aba ema womo nipa ko America na asemi wo ye youth organizer tese mebunu ni na womo panyi NDC wo Bono region no a whole region mebunu no womo panyi no we nya constituency organizer bi o the whole region youth organizer Inti ye kase imbebnu NDC imbebnu nya ade Bono regional onu na wo bebo aba wo mo ano onu na wo kasa imbebnu no ebe dan ebeti wakon se the youth no wo mo presidents no NDC youth abo mo Bono region se ne Bono region na so o mo presidents eno no asema wo kani was it during the 62nd celebration in Tamale President Kufuor couldn't attend. Did they advertise his chair as they did to our incoming president? And then last year they Tamale. Mahama koye na so Kufuor ntumi amba yenhu ekondwa bia ekọ viral and then they o kan say ye beti ase bia they wo de kan ho no na mementi ase or say they know by themselves why it has pained them so much so that they have forgotten to discuss the empty speech of the president but talk about our incoming president. We are politics now here. say aseme Akufo-Addo kan ye e wo program na say na empty speech. Ye ne say empty speech. Akufo-Addo gave the greatest advice right now at the moment. Say Ghana for Mama nko round say mu chia nkrofo because yare aba. Wu chia wo bi ana obi chia na wo si wu nchia na ne bufu kra emfa ho yare aba. Pe won kwa message you Akufo-Addo man. How can you tell me say a empty message? It is not an empty message. Etiefo na wo wie ya no kan juju na semeni o say this clearly shows how Mahama swerved their juju be placed on that chair for it to affect his fortunes in the December polls. Wasi ekonwa no wo mo di juju to so. Na etiefo de ya semu. Bisa me say MPP before I was say omudi juju eto so no juju no ko je we he wo say I see Reverend Owusu Reverend Owusu Bempa so wa bro I see Reverend Owusu Bempa ene di juju no ema eye MPP before so wo mo fan tu ekonwa ne so ema Mahama I see controversial preacher and supporter of the MPP Owusu Bempa was the source of the juju meant hey radio so assembly chemistry hey assembly chemistry hey I say we thank God who gave wisdom to the handlers of the president to swerve the juju. Owusu Bempa gave them to place on that special chair. Mama reading it, I say we thank God who gave wisdom to the handlers of the president to swerve the juju Owusu Bempa gave them to place on that special chair. I say ya Nyankopon ase wo ma John Dramani Mahama nyansa ema ne swerve sa juju na Reverend Owusu Bempa ema ye de tu ekonwa ne so say ye ma Mahama elusu election no. I say I wish to even advise further that President Mahama's handlers should henceforth ensure they carry his own chair to every state. Hey! Hey! It's the people we will go to Abamano. Hey, Asemo. Was see, aside that, and as you see, say former President Mahama, Echo program bia wonim say MPP for beba anana do beba no. NDC for MP konja ento wo mokan mu. Na former president kwa ekonja ye dia ma no no we ye fi wo no de ono ekonja na de this year e ho na edu. I'm sorry if I'm laughing. This is a very serious issue. A branch na waka same way a serious issue. Mystery interna mystery no. I am sorry if my laughter no it is getting on your nerves. I'm very sorry. But how can you say something like this? Imagine say president Echo state function. Na ya reserve your kondrama no. Na we say president no for no kondrama. Like you just imagine that scenario. Like if you are seeing in what to be paying. Like just imagine. Into a moi, when we betina radio so e can say and you see they be asama meka nipa kra wa kan same way e bia wo a wo tie me ehu ne say nipa we ade a wo kan enye ne kre no. Some people will believe say asama nipa we e kan enye ne kre. Muntie de make an you. That's what I tell you. Say sa digital platform and medium ayenya sisia no. Enye ne kre e boa yen. Radio ni TV e boy but sometimes nkrofo betina so e kan sembia obehu no say wo mu politin nkrofo. This person is a regional youth organizer for the largest opposition party in this country. Asema wo kan e wo radio so no say TV so no kan na asema wo kan you and therefore I am telling you say some people in Bunu region who are almost supporting NDC, they will take whatever he's saying as the gospel truth. No more than nam. Akufo-Addo ko program biana no juju as you see Ghana on sana eya rumors no e sha ase. Ye ka sem krofo din kwa. Se bin pray dia san. Nipa wo kan sem we. Me Reverend Owusu Bempa beye boni a me ba bonten be ka me bo n'echi. but seven previous and nipa wo kan say we say Reverend Osu Bempa wo de asem kese hye ne kon say obi beka say oh say Reverend Osu Bempa so wo de asem hye nkrofo wo hwa wo de asem sebi wo de owuo ahye mahama de bia Reverend Osu Bempa ebe kan asem especially etia mahama ono beka asem ahye mahama kon no me ba bonte ebe condemn no enti ende so wo be so at something as huge as this share Reverend Osu Bempa kon a you don't expect me to be quiet about it. It's in the power where Asema walk and it is very unfortunate. Was say Reverend Osu Bempa din will be active. And if I could be alone, Reverend Osu Bempa asem the da. What's the asem we know? We be finance the gospel truth. Bibia will be could be about cancer Reverend Osu Bempa de jujun kwa no the man crofo na ye de two ekonjamo man crofo. You see, yes saying it din. Sana Ghana yes saying crofo din. Sana Ghana yes saying crofo din. And the preaching bia also for kese eye Ajenasari. It's quite ironic say Reverend Osu Bempa ne Ajenasari umunya ntokwada but me yisu Ajenasari preaching e de akasa ma Reverend Osu Bempa. And the preaching bia Ajenasari wo ye wa sorry wo say Ghana sunsun bia ete ha no. They say yankasa yankrofo we don't appreciate them. And we don't have a lot of achievers in this country. Because yankasa yankrofo kosra ye freely say outside the mom enkosro enja yankasa yankrofo outside akodi aye okay yankasa yankrofo kwa ye be say ni din. Ntwe wadwo comment box me for me da say